Custom in-ear monitors or CIEMs are typically what musicians or singers use to listen to a mix when on stage or in the studio. They're essentially in-ear earphones that are custom molded to fit in your ear for better comfort, isolation, and of course, sound. But you don't have to be a musician to own a CIEM, nor do you have to get one from those big name brands in the US or in Europe. There are actually 3 manufacturers of CIEMs here in Malaysia, but the one we'll be taking a look at today is SoundLinear.
Of course, SoundLinear, we are actually trying to tell the world we Malaysians can also make custom in-ear. For now, you can see the market actually more custom in-ear actually coming from Western, US, Europe, UK. You hardly see any good custom in-ear from Asian country. When we develop products, we actually try to focus more on low distortion sound quality. We don't want to do something on monitoring, which we think that kind of in-ear, there is no soul in the product. To us, SoundLinear, we think if a sound without soul inside, we don't call that as music. We hope one day we can actually stand out proud to tell the world that, hey, this is SoundLinear, this is from Malaysia. It's a Malaysian-made product.
So after settling on your brand, the next step before making your CIEMs is to get your ear impressions done.
My name is Joseph Prabha. I'm the proprietor of Amplified. Amplified is a specialized portable audio, personal audio gear specialist. We sell headphones, earphones, portable amplifiers, desktop speakers, and accessories, audio accessories. Custom earphones, as it sounds, it's basically custom in-ear monitors, that's CIEM. What they do is that we custom build the earphones to fit the listener's ears. How it's done is that we take a ear mold sending you to see a professional audiologist, and that mold then gets sent to the various brands to manufacture the specific unit for the customers. There are several custom earphone manufacturers, brands in Malaysia. The prominent one is SoundLinear from Kuala Lumpur, and then there's Illusion Acoustics. There's one more brand from East Malaysia, they call Unknown Customs. And they are very, very good. They are just on par with all the international brands that I deal with. And it's also very proud because they made a lot of these customs now very accessible to Malaysians and much more affordable as well.
So the impressions are done, really straightforward, easy process. All in all, took about 5 minutes. So once the material is injected into my ear, it takes about 3 minutes for it to harden, forming the shape of the ear canal. And then once it's removed, you get these guys. So that's what they look like, that's what my inner ears look like. Isn't it interesting? One is actually bigger than the other. Today I learned that's normal, right? No? Okay. After you've gotten your ear impressions done, you can then decide on the model and design of your CIEM. I'll be going for the FITS 4E, which is a 4-driver hybrid with 2 balanced armature drivers and 2 electrostatic ones. Some brands even do custom faceplate designs, so ask whether your brand of CIEM offers that service. Once you've selected your configuration, all that's left to do is wait. A couple of weeks later, I finally gotten my CIEMs. At first, it was a little bit finicky and difficult to put on and remove, but once you get used to it, it almost becomes second nature. There's good isolation, but it's obviously not complete silence and you can still pick up on the sounds around you. The soundstage is pretty closed in and there's good width, but not much depth. Vocals are also more intimate and it sounds more like it's in your head rather than in front of you. It's also lacking in low end and there's slightly hazy imaging. That being said, there's good detail retrieval and presentation is crystal clear. Electrostatic drivers also help with extended clarity and resolution. Custom in-ear monitors aren't just a step up from normal earphones, they provide a more tailored experience to the wearer, both in terms of sound and design. So are they worth it? Well, there are definitely going to be better sounding IEMs out there, be it customs or universal. But if you want to progress beyond universals and experience that personal touch, then maybe give customs a shot. Before we end the video, we'd like to thank Star Speaker for letting us shoot at their lovely audio library. They've got tons of headphones and earphones for you to try out, so stop by and say hi. So like and share this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell icon to get notified of all future videos and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!